Welcome to Midwest Outdoorsman, and today I have for you a Nutech lures unboxing. I got all of this for 25% off on their Black Friday sale on their website, and it took like 6 days for it to come in, and now you're gonna see what I got. It was a mixture of jigs and got some chatterbaits. First off, you got a business card. Then you have, guessing this is your receipt. Okay, so first off, we'll start with the jigs. They package this stuff pretty tight. First off, I got 4 just naked jig heads, 2 1/4 ounce, 1 black, 1 brown, and then 2 3/8 of an ounce, 1 camo and 1 brown. Then on jigs, we have do the 3/4 ounce ones. We have, this is PB&J. We have a Missouri Craw, is what I'm pretty sure that is. No, it's Crawdad Brown. And then we have a Bluegill. Then in the 3/8 ounce we have another PB&J, another Bluegill, and then 2 Copper Craws. Then now we'll move on to chatterbaits. So all these are 3/8 ounce, but we have one in Bluegill with a gold blade, one in white with a just silver nickel blade, one in chartreuse and white, and then 2 in candy grass with silver blades. And that is my Nutech lures order and unboxing.